Hello everyone, this is T-Man, the Fierce, obviously, but just call me T-Man. Anyway, you may have seen one of my other previous videos of food taste test. The last one I did was my first one, which was Asian food taste test first time trying. That was the title for it. Plus my YouTube name with it, which was TMAN, which was T-Man, that word, the, and then fierce, all as one. Anyway, the food I'm going to be doing a taste test today of is this. The spicy chicken flavor of Japanese noodles. Japanese home-style noodles. The spicy chicken flavor. And you see, this is what it looks like. Here, I'll even zoom up on it. See? I don't want to hold it off to the side too much because it's gonna end up falling all over the counter. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna taste it, and then I'm going to give you guys my opinion on what I think about it. I got 2 soda cans right here. This one hasn't been opened, and this one is opened. So if things go good, it probably won't be that spicy, but I have no idea. I haven't tried this one yet. So we're going to get a big hunk of it to twirl around the fork. Well, I guess we can't do a big one, but anyway, here's the taste test for it. I can feel the heat, but it doesn't really taste that spicy to me. I don't know. You guys try one of these sometime and then tell me what you think about it in your own opinion. To be honest, I like it. I do. It's not even that spicy. A little bit. Not too bad though. And that was the Japanese home-style noodles with the spicy chicken flavor. Tell me what you guys think about this in the comments below.